How's it going today, everyone? Oh, it's been probably 3 weeks since we got done planting, and we're just finally getting starting to clean stuff up. So that's what the plan is for today. So I guess first things first, we still have our disc hooked up, so we're gonna take that and put it behind our cattle shed. And then we got to get our field cultivator out in the cat, and that's going over here, where the disc is parked. And I got to move that other disc over there, back with the other one, and then we'll get the planter out and get that all cleaned up. So that's what we're starting with today. That'll work. Lift that up. Here I'm just going through old boxes. We had probably about half a bushel of beans left each, just from last field, which is what you want. You don't want to have run short. It's just easy. I mean, it's only 7 bushel probably total is what we ended up with. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'll go out and go back through and pull all the seed plates out, and we'll keep those in a temperature controlled environment over the winter and stuff. So just keeps everything nice and whatnot. So yeah. As you see, I'm pulling out the seed plates out of seed meters, and then I'm also vacuuming up the last little bit of beans that are in the seed meters. You can't really get them all with the vacuum, just out of or just going through the top up. So, and then I'm also, just giving everything a once over, making sure nothing is broken. And so, we kind of got a heads up for next year, getting it ready and whatnot. So, yeah, and naturally my battery died on my GoPro, so I wasn't able to record putting everything or putting this away and stuff, and like taking off the monitor and all that. So I guess you'll just have to imagine that. I guess so. I think there's just a little bit left, but yeah, this is I guess where I'll leave you.